Are you ready to elevate your photography skills but unsure where to start? The world of mirrorless cameras offers an exciting entry point for beginners, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best beginner mirrorless cameras available today, perfect for capturing stunning images without the steep learning curve. Whether you're interested in vibrant landscapes, portraits, or action shots, there's a model that fits your needs and budget. Join us as we delve into the key features, benefits, and reviews of these fantastic cameras, helping you find the ideal companion for your photographic journey. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-frame Mirrorless Camera. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a remarkable full-frame camera that offers an impressive 33 megapixels, allowing you to capture strikingly sharp images. With the top-notch autofocus system on the market, you can trust that your shots will be in focus, even in challenging conditions. Its compact and lightweight design ensures you can take it with you all day without feeling weighed down, and the ergonomically designed grip adds to your comfort. Whether you're shooting in low light or moving quickly, the 5-axis image stabilization gives you the confidence to handhold the camera for steady shots. Additionally, its versatile 4K video capabilities make it a perfect choice for both photography and videography enthusiasts. While there may be other cameras that excel in still photography or video separately, the Alpha 7 IV strikes an impressive balance, making it a top contender for those who want to do both exceptionally well. However, you might find the camera's menu system a bit overwhelming at first. The good news is that with its customizable buttons, you can tailor the functionality to your liking, minimizing the need to navigate through complex menus during your shoots. This way, you can focus more on capturing the beautiful moments that matter to you, rather than getting lost in settings. Ultimately, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is designed to enhance your creative journey, ensuring you feel empowered to explore your photography and videography skills to the fullest. At number 4, Panasonic LUMIX S5 Full-frame Mirrorless Camera. The Panasonic S5 is a compact full-frame mirrorless camera designed for those who value high-quality imagery alongside advanced video capabilities. With its impressive 24-megapixel sensor, you can expect stunning still images that compete well against other full-frame options on the market. However, what truly distinguishes the S5 are its unique video features. You will appreciate the support for vlog recording, anamorphic 4K, and uncropped 4K at 30 frames per second. Ideal for hybrid creators like you who seamlessly blend video and photography. While the S5 excels in many areas, it does face challenges with autofocus, particularly in video mode. If this has been a concern for you, the newly released S5 II might just be the solution. The S5 II boasts a new chip with onboard phase detection, which significantly enhances autofocus performance, addressing one of the main limitations of its predecessor. If you're passionate about video and are serious about improving your shooting experience, the upgrade could be worth the investment. Though we haven't had a chance to test the S5 II yet, the early reports suggest that its enhancements could make a real difference in your filming capabilities. Ultimately, whether you choose the S5 or consider stepping up to the S5 II, you'll find a camera that meets your creative needs and elevates your craft. Number 3, we have the Nikon Z Full-frame Mirrorless Camera. If you're in the market for a new camera, the Nikon ZF deserves your attention. This model not only boasts a captivating retro design, but also delivers impressive performance tailored to meet your photographic needs. You'll appreciate the reliable and rapid autofocus system, which ensures that you can capture stunning stills and dynamic video with ease. One standout feature of the Nikon ZF is its dual control scheme. You have the flexibility to choose between tactile dedicated control dials or customizable command dials, allowing you to tailor the camera to your shooting style. This customization enhances your workflow, making it easier for you to focus on your creative vision. The Nikon ZF successfully balances nostalgic aesthetics with modern functionality, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned photographers and newcomers. Whether you're exploring new genres or perfecting your craft, this camera is designed to adapt to your journey. As you consider your options, think about how the Nikon Z can elevate your photography and videography experience. It's not just about having a camera that looks great. It's about a tool that empowers you to achieve outstanding results in diverse shooting conditions. By choosing the Nikon Z, you're investing in a device that helps you express your creativity and visually tell your story. Experience the difference it can make in your artistic endeavors. At number 2, Sony Alpha 6400 Mirrorless Camera. If you're on the hunt for a camera that aligns with your photographic aspirations, the Sony Alpha 6400 stands out as a reliable choice. While its interface and ergonomics might feel a bit dated, this camera makes up for it with a remarkable sensor that produces stunning image quality. You'll appreciate its exceptional autofocus system, which ensures sharpness and precision, vital for capturing those spontaneous moments that define your photography journey. When choosing a camera, it's important to consider your specific needs and shooting style. The Alpha 6400 supports Sony mirrorless and E-mountings, offering versatility and lens options to enhance your creative possibilities. With an aspect ratio of 16:9 and 3:2, you can easily produce images that fit a variety of formats, whether for social media or print. Although the Alpha 6400 lacks built-in image stabilization and optical zoom capabilities, it retains its charm with a maximum focal length of 210mm and a maximum aperture of f6.3. Its compatibility with JPEG and RAW file formats allows you to hold onto the detail and dynamic range you value in your photos. The expanded ISO range starting from 100 ensures you can adapt to different lighting conditions, capturing images that resonate emotionally. Ultimately, the Sony Alpha 6400 is a compelling option for both casual photographers and budding professionals ready to take their skills to the next level. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Vlogging Camera. If you're stepping into the world of photography and videography, the Canon EOS R10 could be the perfect companion for you. While it's not the cheapest option available, its thoughtful design and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for beginners ready to invest in a capable camera. You'll appreciate the comfort of its ergonomics, allowing you to capture moments without feeling strained during extended use. The high-resolution Advanced Photo System Type-C sensor ensures that every shot is rich in detail, giving you the ability to produce stunning images and videos alike. When it comes to video, the R10 shines with its ability to record in 4K at up to 60 frames per second. This feature opens up a world of creative possibilities. Whether you're shooting vlogs, tutorials, or artistic projects, you can express yourself freely, knowing your camera can keep up with your vision. You'll also find peace of mind in the Canon EOS R10's impressive battery life, allowing you to shoot for longer periods without constant recharging. Plus, its autofocus system is one of the most reliable in the industry, ensuring that you capture sharp, in-focus images even in challenging conditions. In summary, the Canon EOS R10 is a robust entry-level mirrorless camera that encourages your journey into photography and videography, providing the tools you need to unleash your creativity. Investing in this camera means equipping yourself to explore and refine your skills with confidence. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which beginner mirrorless camera you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.